Hey, hi everyone, this is Trader Shiva. So let's try to do the analysis of XAUUSD and EURUSD for 2nd of April. Okay. So guys, if you remember the yesterday videos, okay, so we were somewhere here and we were falling, and this value area we had drawn since long time, maybe around 10 days back we have drawn this. Okay. And we have talked about this level. So now you see the market has fallen and it has taken exact support from this area and it has gone above. Okay. So we had considered this as a major support. Market did not took support here, but it traveled this value area and again reverse. Okay. So how did we draw this? We have been, kept on talking about this. We have drawn it from here. Okay. So now you can see that this was a consolidation zone. We have found the value area of this region, and we have done this by merging all the market profiles. Okay. So if you do not want to merge, you can simply apply this fixed range market profile and you will be getting this value area. And that is why market has reacted like this from here. Okay. So that is point number one. Now, how will take these kind of reversal trade, guys? So if you see here we have got some big delta. Okay, but then what has happened from the next candle onwards, the market has started going up, but this was not a very good confirmation. For me, the best trade was here. Okay, so if you see this particular move, okay, so in this particular move there was not much negative delta. Okay, it was a very positive delta, but when the market is coming down, we can see a red candle with a red delta. But what has happened in the next candle, we got a nice bullish candle with a very big positive delta, and this candle was taken out. So now the natural target will be from value area low to value area high. Okay, so this is also called the absorption, guys. Okay, this is what we call absorption of sellers. So sellers are actually absorbed here. Okay, so this is how we could have taken this reversal trade, guys. Now coming back to the levels. Okay, so if you want to see the levels, so now what I will do is I will just switch off the market profile. Will again draw the fixed range market profile. So this this consolidation zone to this falling zone, and now if you apply, you can see interesting levels. So we will actually adjust these levels. Okay, so I will put this a little down. Okay, and lock it. Then for this level also, I will unlock it, put it a little down so that it coincides with with this consolidation zone. So now this is one value area, guys, and now for this one we will shift this a little upside because the value area is approximately over here. Okay, so the market is still in the value area, I will consider. Okay, so rather we'll shift it a little upside for safety. So market is still in the value area. So right now the market is in the consolidation zone in this value area. So our job is to first of all search for the reversal trade. So first hypothesis will be taking a reversal from this area to here. Now again you have to wait for the setup to form. Okay, so if you start seeing that the buyers are exhausted over here, and then some buyers are actually trapped, and then market start coming downside, then you can think of taking a reversal trade. So for example, if I see this, see, these are the moves. We can see there are a large sell delta. Okay, and the market has actually not moved. Here we can see a big positive delta, but the market is still over here. So now in the next few moves, if we see that these buyers are trapped and the market has start coming down, then we can initiate actually a sell trade to value area low over here. Okay, so this is how we can take trades. Now if the market starts coming down from these levels, so what are the levels where we have to keep our mind focused. So again, we'll apply the fixed range market profile like this, okay, to this range. So now you see these are some areas of consolidation for me. Okay, so if the market starts coming down, so the first support will be this, and if the market enters inside this range, so I will again keep on playing the consolidation. Then if the market break down further below, then this will be the area. Okay, so I think these are enough level for as of now for gold. Okay, so guys, you can note these levels. Okay, so these are the important level for gold. Now let's go to euro USD. So for euro USD also, guys, we were talking about this pullback and continuation trade to the below, because the market has broken this value area. So this value area was basically the consolidation zone. It has gone down, given a nice pullback, and then it has gone down. Okay, so right now our job, as per the auction market theory, the market should it may consolidate here, but it the natural target for this market when it is falling down is these levels. Okay, so market should test these levels. First of all, it may consolidate, it may provide some pullback, but over the period of time, based on auction market theory, we think that this market should travel over here. Now these are the below levels. If you remember, we have applied the fixed range market profile from here, okay, to these levels, and we have got this consolidation zone and this consolidation zone. So we have made this value area. Okay, so it will be interesting to see how euro USD travels over the period of time, guys. Now the our the trading methodology, I can just simply revise it once again. Okay, so basically we are following auction market theory. Okay, so for auction market theory, we try to find out the value area based on market profile, which I have just shown you. So if the market is inside the value area, it will keep on traveling from value area high to value area low. However, if the market has broken a value area, then you can wait for a pull back and then take the trade again in the same direction, which was the case, which this is the case I'm talking for the euro USD. So the market was inside this value area, it has broken down, pull back, now a trend in the downward direction. Okay, so now it can give some kind of pullback, but then eventually it should come down. However, this is the hypothesis. Okay, you have to see also at the micro level what is happening with the delta. So this is our hypothesis, guys. So what our first priority is to take the trade based on the pullback to the downside. Okay, this is our first priority. Now to take the actual trade, you have to take the confirmation with delta and VWAP. Okay, so what are those confirmation, guys? So VWAP theory, what VWAP theory is basically, for the current day value, you have to take the help of VWAP. So if the VWAP is flat, it means that the market is actually consolidating in the range. And if the VWAP is in slope, it means that the market is actually in imbalance. Okay, and it will keep on going in the same direction. So these are some examples of flat VWAP. And this is the example of the slopey VWAP. So how to trade, guys? First, try to draw the levels with the help of market profile. Then to understand the current developing value area, try to understand the slope of the VWAP. Okay, and try to create a synergy between the previous value area and the slope of the VWAP, and then take the help of delta indicator for strength and weakness. Okay, and always prefer to trade based on the pullback. Okay, so I hope these levels will help you guys. Thank you so much.